Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something a lot different coming up in this video. I've got some crazy build I'm doing for a young lad off the estate. He's got himself a 100cc 2-stroke engine for his mountain bike. All specialised hard rock. Nothing too special, but this is what this video is going to be about. As you can see, I've already started. I started this yesterday. I had real trouble mounting the engine, but managed it. Got all the rear sprocket on, tensioner, engine's mounted obviously. Exhaust is going on, CDI units on, plug in. It has been a little bit awkward due to the shape of the frame, but we managed it anyway, managed to pull it off, so this is where I'm up to with it at the moment. Obviously I've got to mount the bracket for the exhaust, tidy the wiring up, make sure all that's alright. Got a clutch cable to connect, carbs going to need connecting, and clutch levers on. Got to put the throttle, what else, fuel tank, which there's a fuel tank, but as you can see with the shape of the frame, there's another piece what's not going to fit, so I'm going to have to think something up for that, maybe make some brackets. But yeah, that's the idea. It's 100cc 2-stroke, about 170 quid-ish, I think, online. And yeah, I think it's going to be a mad build. It's been, I thought it would be more fun to build, to be honest, but it has been awkward. Nothing seemed to wanted to line up or fit, but we're getting there. So this is what I'm up to now. No riding, I'm afraid, on this video, unless we get this running, and I'll show you. Well, I'll show you this going when it's done. So far, clutch lever on, clutch cable, routed the clutch cable all the way down. Here's a clutch here, clutch arm. Cable running here. You've got the large spring before you thread it through the nut to keep the cable away from the engine, keep the heat off it. Thread through, small spring on through your arm into the little nut here. Make sure you get it nice and tight, take up any slack. And that's the clutch working. Obviously when the clutch is disengaged, the bike won't move because it acts like it's in gear. Obviously it's turning the engine. And clutch on, you can ride it like a normal bike. I've done some more wiring. I wired the kill switch in, so next step I'm going to tidy all this wiring up. Rev cable, I've wired that in as well. That's going to come this way, straight to the carb. That's the next job. And that's it so far. Right, next step, carb cable. So you've got to thread it through. That's what you're looking at. You run your cable through there. There's a little clip of spring. Thread it through there. That's that. And now this. The camera. Running into the top of the carb. Make sure. There we go. And then you screw the top on, and that's a cable inserted. Right, so cable in, as you can see, and then double check it, give it a rev, and as you see, opening, closing nicely, and that's ready for fitting. Some more problems obviously it won't fit on with the air filter. I've managed to get the air filter on just with one screw. It's like that, but it's better than no air filter. But yeah, that's the carbon. Fuel lines next. Tank, I'm going to think of something for tank, and then not be careful. Yeah, fuel lines, fuel tap, fuel filter, tank, and I figure something out of that. I'm not sure what. Yeah, got the tank on, and I think I'll double check everything, but I think everything's built on. Tidy this wiring up. Get some electrical tape around it, cable tie it to the frame. Cable tie that cable up. Yes, we're awfully close as well with this red cable on the frame. It just got away with it, just. Yeah guys, here we go. Petrol tank, fuel tap gone in. Use some gasket seal to make sure we don't get any leaks. Fuel lines, fuel filter. Just use zip ties. We don't get any clips of them, so I'll just put zip ties on, just zip ties just to make sure we don't get any leaks. Next step is figure out how it's going to attach to the frame, as you can see. And then obviously fuel line to the carb, and we're good to go. Finished product. Managed to sort some brackets out for the tank, that's secure. Fuel lines are on, zip ties round them just to make sure there's no leaks, and we're done. That's the build done. Clutch connected, throttle connected, ready for. I'm going to drop some fuel in it, make sure there's no leaks, and I'll possibly see if we can get it started. Yeah, get ready. See? Yeah, running. No problem, doctor. And the tires just built on, you can see, look. We've got a right, people, as you can see, build's done. 100cc 2-stroke engine on a specialised hard rock. Not mine, it's not mine, I'm just building it for someone who I know. And it's done. I've just sorted out brakes. No, zero. I basically had no brakes on it, and I've been out test riding it, not being able to stop basically, but it's running fine, it's running mint, it's done, it's ready to go through its owner. You know who you are if you're watching. It's going to be fun. So the channel's not been very active recently. I've been busy with other things. I've been doing a lot of work on the motorbikes recently. I've got a 125 quad there. That's sold now. I've got my son's little quad here. I've just acquired a new pit bike, Pump Star 140, so I've been doing some work on that, new grips on it, new fuel lines, fuel filter, brake pads, general tidy up and full check over. I will be getting some footage, I will be getting out on this, not on any mountain bike trails obviously, but like up do a bit of green laning up river, possibly trip to quarry as well. So I will be getting some footage on this as well. So it's going to be mixed up a little bit, this channel from now on, a little bit of motorbikes, a little bit of mountain biking and so on. So yeah, that's it, that's another day done in the office. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, sub to keep up with all my adventures and so on, and thanks for watching guys, see you again soon.